What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today we're gonna recreate chicken and broccoli. For today's chicken and broccoli, we're gonna be using tofu, broccoli, soyaki soy sauce, onions, carrots, green onions, garlic, ginger, and potato starch. Alright, family, so for us to veganize our chicken and broccoli, we're gonna take our tofu, and I got this wire basket from my air fryer that I'm gonna use to just put them on, and I'm not gonna put nothing on the bottom so the air could circulate and fry under and on top of the tofu, guys, so we could get that nice texture as if it was chicken. Put them in the air fryer or your oven at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes, guys. If you like what you see, don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, let's go. Alright, family, so we're gonna get 1 tablespoon of this potato starch, and we're gonna add it into a bowl so we can make our sauce. Some soyaki sauce to your potato starch, and you're gonna add a half a cup of water. Add some ginger and some garlic. Begin to mix. Add a teaspoon of brown sugar, guys, and mix. Keep on mixing so your sauce combines, so we could start to cook. Add some sesame seed oil. Add in your green onions. And your ginger and your garlic. And you're gonna add in your onions. These are shallots, actually. I didn't want to use onions, so I'm just using shallots. Then I'm gonna add some soyaki sauce to give it some flavor, get the flavor going. As you can see, I didn't put the sauce in yet because I want to cook down the green onions. Alright, family, so add in your sauce that you made for your chicken and broccoli, guys. Add your broccoli. Don't forget your carrots. And we're gonna add a half a cup of water. We're gonna cover this for about 1 minute until it's nice and steamed, and then we're gonna put in our chicken, guys. Alright, family, so now we have cooked our broccoli and our carrots for a minute. We're gonna add in the chicken, guys, because remember, we are making chicken and broccoli. So this is what the tofu looked like after I put it in the air fryer for 15 minutes. Alright, so we're gonna add it in. Now we're gonna mix. Look how beautiful that looked, guys. I didn't use all my soyaki sauce, so I'm gonna pour some of that on top. So I'm gonna add the soyaki on top. So we're gonna just cook this down for about 1 minute, and then it's done. It's finally ready, family. Now it's time to plate. Finally ready, and I'm so hungry, guys. Look how beautiful this looks, guys. I was able to veganize chicken and broccoli. Now let's go for that taste. What you see, guys, go to my website vegankingsworld.com for the full recipe. Peace.